The dollar versus yen has completed a full lap from a low a week Friday to a high back to the close from a week Friday. I'll talk about that and the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video. So let's get started. A week ago, last Friday, the price of the dollar versus yen closed at 151.39. That's, well, a little bit higher than this level right here. But you can see on Monday's trade last week, we moved higher toward the 100-day moving average, a 200-day moving average, the blue and green lines right through here, and the falling 100-hour moving average. We found willing sellers there. It wasn't until Tuesday the price broke above the 100-hour moving average again, and this time we were able to get above both the 200-day and the 100-day moving average. That happened on Wednesday of last week. That opened the door for further upside momentum, breaking above this swing area after basing against it right here, and then moving up to another swing area up here where the market found willing sellers in this key target area. This was a key area. Why? Because not only was this a swing area through here with a number of different swing lows and swing highs coming into play back through here before moving to the downside, but the 50% retracement of this move to the downside was also in that area at 154.897. The price came up to around the 79 level, about 10 pips short of the 50% retracement level, and found willing sellers on Thursday's trade. The high price couldn't extend into that area, and that started this 1, 2, 3-day move to the downside, inclusive of today's trading. In the process, the price moved back below the 100-day moving average. That's this blue line right here, the 200-hour moving average and the 100-hour moving average right here, and the 200-day moving average after trading above and below it in trading on Friday before breaking to the downside. Now, I mentioned that the low price today came back down toward that low price from a week Friday. Again, that level came in at 151.39, and the low price here today moved just below that level, and that is giving traders some cause for pause within the swing area. We also have the double bottom that occurred in trading a week Friday, where we had two different lows coming in here at 150.92. So that's going to be obviously the next key target on the downside. If we get below that level, it opens the door for further selling pressure. How do I know that? Well, let's take a look at the daily chart. And if we look at this low price that we saw, that double bottom on that one day, getting below that level opens the door for further selling pressure with the 50% retracement level. The next key target on the downside, that level comes all the way down at 149.22. So there's room to roam on that break. Also, getting below that level, this level right here would move away from these levels right here, which is a 38.2% retracement of this move to the upside from the September low to the January high. That's key. Also getting below a swing level that happened to be a couple swing lows right here, swing high right there through there, and some other low levels that we came in here before we broke to the downside. So that level comes in at 151.30. So getting that would increase the bearish bias and have traders looking down toward this 50% retracement level to 149.22. So what would hurt the pair on the upside? And I would guess, I would think that, if we move above the 150 level, that was the 38.2% retracement. If we get above the 151.80 level, which is some swing levels right through here. But ultimately, if the sellers are going to take more control, or the sellers are going to lose control, I should say, the price needs to get above this cluster of moving averages. It was key on the way to the upside, it was key on the way to the downside, and getting back above those levels on the top side would need to happen to have traders thinking more in terms of the dollar yen moving higher as opposed to lower. So that's my look at the dollar versus yen. I hope it helps you in your trading this week. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.